I'm still talking to you, Obama and Putin. You know, you guys never just, you need to simmer the fuck down. I mean, you guys are under the table making deals against the people and who holds all the odds and see who the winner be. But you know, whoever's financing this is winning from the negative or the minus. And that is, it really need to have a care towards whether you don't obviously have a fucking heart in you, either, you fucking assholes. And the rest of these world leaders, just the same. There's a God. There is a real creator. And you've shielded it from everyone. And Christ was formed and was made, and it come to pass. And the life that he gave, it did close the doors to hell. Satanic, Satanist, evil, Satan, devil, hell, that Olam is. And they went out and gathered poor dear sheep, flocklings lost in the weather, and converted them and distilled to them in their minds so they would understand that they needed to be called in a time when a certain revelation happens, and they'll make it happen. And when that word happens, it's just like on the following. The guy says a word to them, and they know to defend, and they know to kill whatever they're around in the immediate area. Ha. How about that? Think about that. Nah, it's a lot of shit. These poor people. You know, how can they get through to these Muslims through this kind of warped training that they've given to these people? It's more than just frontline runners. This is control of the world. And if you're the kind of man that likes having sex with goats, well, I guess there's a place for you. Caught on camera. You know, I've got it on my Facebook. No, I didn't put that on my Facebook because, you know, geez, what they actually show. You know, you can put, you know, the word to title of, but not so that video, because that's, you know, those things they use for the laser when they zoom in on it to find their target and they hold it and then it's marked and, you know. Well, they got that and zoomed in on these people, and the people, when they're white, you know, they're illuminated because of the light that they look through with this lens. And there's a guy standing up with a goat, his feet in his hands. I guess his you know, I could see the head of the goat down toward the bottom, and he had his, you know, he had a goat right up in his crotch. And he just, I guess, going to town there. Wow. What a trip this would be, you know. And then a guy over here, just, you know, a few feet away, he comes walking over, and he's standing up there, and I guess they're talking about it or whatever, and then he gives him the goat, and then he goes someplace, and some guy's way over on the other side of the field, and he comes, he just like hurries over there. I guess he's gonna get a piece of this action, you know. They get things, screw it all they want until they have to get rid of it, and they go sell it to their neighbors. Yeah, that Islamic man kind of life. I mean, that's something that's we need some girls on trampolines right now. Well, but it's not really. That's not really funny to it. You know, it is funny. You know. Wow. But that's not a thing in America. It's not here. I mean, there were wild things that came in through here, but, you know, they're leaving. They were like expressed and played out just to understand and to have that mood, that feeling and stuff. It just, you know, too a little bit way far out there, and then it's in the genes, it's known, it's understood. and you bring that to a quill, bring that to a calm. And so when you pass your genes on, they will at a time feel that calm, because I just put it in your genes. And did you know that thought transfer of the words I said is a transfer of thought that's to the thought fields in your mind, and they're very fertile. They've been coated over with a lot of BS, but they're very fertile, and I put that good word in there and thought in those genes. That'll come. It doesn't have to be just directly through my genes, which is the best, but just talking and plowing that fertile fields in your mind and your thoughts to think of a heavenly land. Things that I've just mentioned. And the other day I made a couple of vids, and it like this too. It started out and got to a point and it clicked off, and then I have to start it again. That's why I get those part 1s and part 2s, A and B. And it's something to do right there. I said Obama and Putin, and then hey, Obama, Putin, we gotta start recording this now. And then I say what I say because that's the way it is. That's the way I feel. That's what's real. That's not even a threat to anyone unless they're following something wrong in their minds, and that needs to be addressed, or they'll lose their minds. And losing their minds, they don't care about death, and they're very dangerous. They need therapy. They need to be locked up. Since you got those things over here built, those fortified things they call mosque, let's just lock them all up in the mosque and keep them there for now in therapy, and see how we can turn these lots out into Christians, because they're over here. Do you think you'd want to come over here? Now look, I want to tell you something now. Now there's a problem out here, and I need you to go over there. You understand what I'm saying? We need you over there. Your uncle, your cousin, your nephew, your niece, your daddy, your mama. They need you over there. And and then you get on there and you do that. Just was at the door. Somebody's knocking. Oh, I saw their shadow go by. God, they threw something at me. I just kicked off. I kicked the box in the floor. Oh shit. Man, I like to tune in, but get back on that subject. It's just I can't leave people waiting, So I'll check back in. This is the part Roman numerals 2. Peace out.